Today I introduce my sisters.
This dress is for middle age.
This model, my sister saw it was Tim's neck. There will be a section. Ancient leaves on ha. Here are my sisters, the round neck. And then this part of the heart runs through 6 different gases. And then there's will do. The dress part. Bend and spread slightly, and this part of the hand is the part. Hand room. It's light, now we're going to start. Go to this design. And to design this part, my sisters, remember to prepare yourself for the measurement. Measurement. This is the shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, buttock measurement, and waist length and hip length. Then we'll measure on our own bodies. It will be different on the scale. Then immediately apply the shared recipe. You will get the Arabic. So now we're going to go into the design. With this model, there is a small amount, so I subtract this part from 6 parts. And then we started designing. I will determine the length of the dress. It depends on the sisters. If I want to be short, I will adjust. Then I'll take the shoulder piece. The shoulder here is the shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. If you take it across a street, it's 16 millimeters of gasoline. From this point, take over 16, then lower to 4. If you put it on your neck, divide it by 30. 5 is equal to 6. Then you join in. Then the chest class you will take is the chest. Divide by 5 and you add by 2. So 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took down a road that is equal to 18. And then the chest, you take the chest. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a paragraph of 22 from here. Then I'll lower my waist from above. This shoulder line you take down to the waist is equal to 35. Built through a road. Then I took the waist line. The waist is the waist divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 8. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18 taken from here. 18. And then we'll have the bottom line. Your ass down here from top to bottom is 18. That's what I measure on my body. Everyone will be different. Cross a line. I've got my ass divided by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I usually take 2. Then you connect yourself from the neck to the waist. Out the ass. I'll get the dress box here. You can reduce this to 4 ha. I put it in this dress box. From here, I'm getting 30. It's 30 from here. Then use a perpendicular line. I'll draw for the armpits. Split and half again. Then, this part is Tim. Then your back here 1.5 inches. The neck of my heart down here is 14. Hey, you hit Tim's neck. From here down here. Give me a segment that is equal to 7 gasoline. So I'll get this round neck leaf up here. As I said from the beginning, here it will have a displacement of
Then you
6
come out here
petrol.
6.
And then this injection neck, you're going to bend down.
This 6.
Connect in. The first part would be a piece like this. And then it's under this line, under this corner. From here, measure yourself is equal to 6. Then I hit the line here. You pass these 6, you bend. Connect it up here. This goes straight. Then you hit the line. Here go straight up here. And then you cut it up, and this is going to be the side road. With this dress, you guys, I cut both sides.
They're all so sluggish.
And you've got to lock a passage here, so that when I wear it, it doesn't fly up. Between the two, if you are more discreet, then you'll make a piece. The inside is double fabric, and the outer layer is the slanted layer. So when we wear it up, then we will not see open the cave. Then that's the front body. And from here, you've measured 8. Let's draw the vertical side. Then it's going to be 4 from here. The one below is 4. And we're going to draw that side of raw. From here, you go up. This is equal to 2. Here are to gas and you hit this armpit. I can't give you a 7-5. In this part, you reduce the back armpit. Chest torso behind is a petrol centimeter. Then this part, you'll come out. Give me some gasoline. I widen the back of my body. And for the shirt, it's just that the front body has a slack. So that's when you draw the body. I'll reduce this part. Then, next time you'll cut the neck this way. From up here, it's 4 stars. Cut it for the body SAO according to the red line. Body hips SAO follow the red line. Then you will take back the waistline of the back. Then we will adjust. Body in front of me to separate raha. I adjust the body behind. Then there will be a vertical line. I'm going to cut the line. Then you're going to split this waist in half. And then we build a line that's right down to 16. And it's 4 this way across here. And from here you start to paint me the side, vertical. Then this will be the back of this shirt. Later, my sisters will let me be one. It's because this is a double loop. And we'll leave the back here. I adjusted the body first. The body first, you will cut it. from this piece at the bottom ha. I cut it up. Remember to mark this place again. I cut out part 2. Come over and give me 7 glasses. Dear, I haven't had a gas drop yet. The back of the chest is smaller. Next week you will go the side line. The front of the body is smaller than the rear. Then you will continue. I bought the live part. This part of the dress, ladies, when I am finished, my future will follow. It's a curve like this. And here's the waist. Even if you want to break it off, or you can leave it like this. This is up to you. Then we'll get the body first. You will cut off 2 bodies. I cut to pieces like this, as I said before. If it's the bottom that you don't want, it's exposed. Then you will be able to override us and close this road. When the wind rises, it will not be visible in this area. If you want to be private, I'm going to cut this road. Then this piece you use is a double cloth. We expand the raw and we crush the piece. If we bend this up, we will. Don't worry about using this product. And now I'm going to cut the sleeve. This shirt you're going to measure for me here is 22. I measured both the front and back hands as 22. I'm going to paint the hand now. This hand is a puffy hand. It's just the bottom part. Oh, it's just above. The hips are swollen. Save the year of gasoline. Come back from here. I'll take it down. This part, it will be equal to the chest. Divided by 10 plus for 5 lines of your chest. 80 divided by 10 plus for 5. 13 of you can build a perpendicular line. Then you take it. So 2 plus 2, 2, raw is 44 divided by 2, which is 22. Then you just put this to by 2 and here. Here ha to 2, here connected, here divided into 2. Then you'll take the neck. My hand here is equal to 14. Depending on the biceps, it will be equal to biceps. It's from 14 to 16. You will measure this on your body. Then, the first part of this, you guys after me. Finished painting. I want you to give me 3 meters of gas. And these 3 meters of gasoline, it's going to go straight through the corner. Here's the lower hand. Is that you're going to go the right way in. I've made this line a perpendicular one. And now I'm going to cut by the hand. I cut this hand. And this will be the half-blood part. When you do the cross arms, this is so that his hips are pointed. I also adjusted. This way is a perpendicular one. Right angle. The sister cuts that hip adjustable. Is that it's going to be the sharp angle of the arm. This is right around the corner. These sisters are in the room. If you stand up, you may draw the same. As for the section below, you can wear normal braces. This is the whole body that I have. And the last one is the collar. You will measure the neck first. I can measure 7 here. Back neck. I measured 12. Then you cut yourself a piece. Round. 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. Let's say we're 19. Now I'm going to put it on. Put it in half like this. Here you guys draw a straight line from a perpendicular line. Hey guys, give me for gas. I connected this part in. Then split it in half. You go back and bend, and then you're going to take this neck. Come over here for me. This is equal to 6. You want your neck to bend. This is the 19th corner. You go straight up one way. Then you go around the corner. Let's go around this corner and you'll go around this corner. Then we'll get a collar that has 3 angles. I have a lack of paper, so I paste more in. And now I'm going to cut the neck. Here you will get the collar. Then the neck. If you're lucky, I'll put it in there. Body like this. The rest I will break. Let's sew the back of my ankle. Then I will install button. I'll have both sides of her neck open like this. This is the style I shared with my whole family today. Good luck to you. Hi and see you later.